In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get plugins on Claude AI. Plugins, often called connectors or integrations, let Claude work hand in hand with other tools so you can extend its abilities right inside your chats. Think of this as tailoring Claude to your workflow, whether you're organizing tasks, researching, or handling documents. First, open your Claude account. Make sure you're signed in so any changes you make are saved to your profile. If you're on the web, keep that tab active. If you're using a desktop app, have it open so the settings we'll visit are available. Interface details can shift slightly over time, but the overall flow stays the same. Next, click your profile. You'll usually see your profile picture or initials near the top right corner. That opens a small menu tied to your account controls and preferences. From there, click Settings. This brings you to the page where you manage preferences, data controls, and connections. Give it a moment to load fully so every category appears, especially if your connection is slow. Inside Settings, click Connectors. This is the central place where Claude lists the services it can connect to. The term connectors covers both official integrations and third-party plugins, and it's where you'll return later to manage or review what you've enabled. Now click Browse Connectors. This opens the catalog of available options. You'll typically see search or filtering tools to help you focus on what you need. Each listing includes a short description of what it does and the kind of access it may request. Availability can vary by region or plan, so your catalog might look a little different. Next, click the Plugins area. Depending on the layout, this might be a tab, a filter, or a section within the connectors catalog. Switching into plugins narrows the view to add-ons designed to expand Claude's capabilities directly in your chats. And here, select the plugins you prefer, look for choices that match your goals, read the descriptions carefully, and note any permission prompts so you understand how the plugin interacts with your data. Selecting a plugin usually means enabling it on its card and confirming a brief prompt. Start with one or two to keep things simple. After enabling, you'll typically see them available while composing a chat, ready to assist when needed. If something doesn't fit your workflow, you can return to the same place to review and adjust what's enabled. That's it. Open your account, go to your profile, head into Settings, choose Connectors, browse, move to Plugins, and pick the options that suit you. Follow along once on your own device, and you'll be set up in minutes.